Before, I would say I was angry and I was cause-driven about the mistreatment of women, which I was learning about when I got to California, mainly from meeting other feminists, radical feminists up north in Berkeley. But I also wanted all of us to have richer lives. Didn't want to just repair suffering people, suffering women, or put Band-Aids on a wound. So that's why when we started the women's studies concept, we said, well, we should involve more than just studying women and studying our history. We need to involve art and culture and poetry and dance and anything. You know, we need to come alive for ourselves and for women that we come into contact with who may be as imprisoned as our sisters in burqas in Afghanistan and other places. Yes, there are immediate needs that have to be met, and that's what we said when we started the Women's Center. Was our goal is to meet the unmet needs, the urgent unmet needs of women, such as victims of sexual assault and domestic violence. But it's also to educate and prevent and to enhance our lives, become fuller people. The more that I look back upon everything I've learned and all my experiences in women's studies classes and articles and so forth, I don't really believe in roles anymore. I don't think there's a man's role or there's a woman's role. I think that being a human being hopefully involves having a partner. And that partnership should be one where there are two equal individuals involved. And their power is shared.